So I'm staying right here. So that's my room right there. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool that I have that space. So yep, right there. So I was just filming right in that space a minute ago. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. So we're gonna film this one. This is Hanoi. Let's see. I think this is oh, it's beautiful. This is the top floor. Oh, cool. So we're just gonna walk a little bit quietly. Outside. So this is called Classic Street Hotel, and I'm staying in this place. And it has some pretty cool design. Look at that. So that was the lobby, and I'm just going to step out into the balcony, and I'm going to be walking around and exploring all day today once I figure out how to open this. I haven't opened it yet, as you can see. There we go. There's Hanoi. So you can see the street scene from here, and I'm going to be exploring here all day today, filming. Yep. So pretty cool. All these nice balconies across the street. Over this way, there's somebody eating some lunch over here. Oh, it's Hanoi coffee shop. So I saw some people just sitting there enjoying. So really amazing street scenes. And I'm just going to I'll lock that back up. We're just gonna walk through this place real quick. This is pretty cool space actually. I don't have my shoes on right now. This is one of my friend's favorite Bada Vista. I can't remember his name. But Classic Street Hotel right there. Massage place down here. Go down below. This is the street that we're gonna be walking around. Gonna step out. I don't have any shoes on, so we're basically right out on the street, and that's where I was at. So let me just walk across real quick. Probably the only one with a t-shirt on. So there we go. So I'm staying right here. So that's my room right there. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool that I have that space. So yep, right there. So I was just filming right in that space a minute ago. And I'm gonna walk back out in a minute. I'm not wearing any shoes, so everybody else is wearing jackets. So let's just get back in here. There's a massage. I'm just gonna walk through real quick. Bada Vista, John Smith, I think. Was it? Hello, how are you?
How are you?
I'm very good.
Yeah.
So we're just gonna walk through this real quick.
It costs you, for the public price, it's cost you $89, but we have a contract rate with the private price, it costs you $75.
So you can eat in this restaurant right here too. Pretty cool. Very nice space. So we're going to be in Hanoi all day today, and I'm going to be filming quite a bit. go back up there. I guess that's the owner. The lady that greeted me, because I just checked up that and that's only one space is there. Pretty cool. Beautiful space. Yep, I guess that's the owner. So I guess that's their flat is up above. Okay. So we are in Hanoi. And I'll be exploring more of this shortly.